The internet is fundamental for the society nowadays. You're totally dependable of it. This could be a good thing because we can solve problems faster, we can communicate faster. Overall, we can share and get information in a sophisticated way, better than how people used to do in the past. But if we don't know how to use internet, it could be very dangerous for us. But I don't want to talk about if the internet is good or bad. I choose to talk about how even nowadays, 40 years after the invention of the internet, we still have some places that don't have access to the internet. Across the 40 countries surveyed in 2015, a median of 6-7% say that they either use internet occasionally or own a smartphone. The highest rates of access are in South Korea with 94%, Australia with 93%, and Canada with 90% of people using internet. But rates of over 80% also can occur in US, England, Spain, Israel, or Germany. What a research made in 2014 in the United States shows that 80% of adults have access to the internet. So 20% don't have access to the internet. You might think that 20% is not a big number, and you're right, it's not. However, the number of people that don't have access to the internet is bigger in poor countries. For example, in some countries in Africa, only 20% of the population have access to the internet. And in South America, countries in South America, 50% of the population have access to the internet. Think about how your life would be without internet access. You will not be able to have a Facebook account or Instagram account or even talk to your friends by iMessage or WhatsApp and even have classes online. Although these numbers are bad, they used to be a lot worse. People know about the importance of internet. So today we have a lot of people trying to bring internet to those places. But the question is why those places don't have access to the internet. The number one reason is the government of those countries might not have enough money to invest in this kind of technology. And the second reason is most of people that don't have internet access live in areas far from big cities. So sometimes they're not worth to invest, to put the money to bring internet to those peoples. I believe that even 50 years from now, we're still gonna have some places without internet access.